Welcome students. In this video, we are going to talk about the basic structure of a C program. This is a simple C program. Let's break it down step by step. At the top of the program, you usually see the lines starting with hash sign. Here you can see hash include studio.h. These are called preprocessor directives. For example, this hash include studio.h tells the compiler to include information about the standard input output library. The studio.h is a standard input output header file that contains definition and declaration of system defined function such as printf and scanf etc. You can also define sampling constant using preprocessor directives, like you can define a constant hash define pi. If you are going to use a constant like pi in your program, you can define using preprocessor directive hash define. First type the hash define, then name of the constant, and then the value for that constant. In this way, you can define constant in your program using preprocessor directives. The first part of C program is preprocessor directives that begins with the sign hash, and then we can include standard header files in our program, or we can define constant in our program. The second part is the main function. The second part of C program is main function. Every C program has a main function where the execution of the program start, or you can see the program start. The statements in main functions are enclosed in pair of curly braces. You can see the main function has a starting curly braces and the ending. So here in the starting and closing brackets, there are statements that are called the body of the main function. And here in the last statement, we can say the last statement of main function is return 0. What this mean? This return 0 statement indicate the successful execution of the program. You can run the program and see here it displayed process returned 0. This is displaying that all the statements in the main functions are executed. The main function can be anywhere in the program, but in general practice, it is placed in the first position after the preprocessor directives. That is the basic structure of C program. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also share with your programming fellows. If you have any question, ask below in the comment section. I will be happy to answer them. Thank you.